7 years ago, former TAG Heuer CEO Jean-Claude Beaver made a bold statement in an interview that traditional watches would face a tsunami brought by connected smartwatches. Yet he also predicted that mechanical watches would remain eternal. Today, both predictions have proven partially true. Quartz and mechanical watches are still alive and admired, but smartwatches continue to dominate the conversation, steadily reshaping the wristwatch industry. TAG Heuer, known for blending Swiss craftsmanship with modern innovation, has once again stepped into the spotlight with the launch of its connected Calibre E5, the fifth generation of its luxury smartwatch line. This latest release aims to bridge the gap between traditional horology and futuristic technology with refined design, improved performance, and smarter features than ever before. When TAG Heuer introduced its first connected smartwatch nearly a decade ago, it created an entirely new product category, the luxury smartwatch. It was an ambitious gamble, and it worked. Since then, TAG has consistently improved upon that concept, adding new features and better performance with each generation. The previous model, the Calibre E4, was already a significant evolution with enhanced sports tracking, 2 size options, and a refined interface. But the Calibre E5 raises the bar again, bringing a sleeker 40mm case, longer battery life, better software, and more customization than ever before. From a design perspective, the E5 carries the unmistakable TAG Heuer DNA, inspired by the brand's Carrera heritage. The 45mm version retains its bold ceramic bezel, while the new 40mm model goes bezel-less, allowing the display to stretch beautifully to the edges of the case. This makes it ideal for those with smaller wrists, offering elegance without losing presence. TAG also introduces a rose gold PVD case for the first time in its connected lineup, adding a more luxurious and feminine touch. Meanwhile, the 45mm model also comes in a black DLC titanium finish for those seeking a sportier, lightweight aesthetic. The Calibre E5 showcases a more integrated strap system, giving it a unified high-end look and better comfort on the wrist. Users can choose from an expanded collection of bands: rubber, leather, metal, or the new lightweight nylon strap. The steel bracelet remains the best-selling option, but the variety makes it easier for owners to match the watch with different lifestyles, from formal wear to active sports. TAG Heuer also continues its special editions tradition. The 45mm Golf Edition returns with a unique bezel design and a golf ball pattern strap, while a New Balance collaboration debuts in a 40mm titanium model, featuring exclusive straps and even an associated pair of TAG-branded New Balance sneakers. These partnerships highlight TAG's efforts to blend fashion, fitness, and technology into one sophisticated product. Under the surface, the E5 Connected offers substantial upgrades that go beyond looks. Battery performance is a major highlight. The 45mm version now provides up to 3 days of use, compared to 2 on the previous generation, while the smaller 40mm model delivers around 2 full days. Quick charging also improves. A 30-minute charge on the larger model provides enough power for an entire day, while the smaller one takes about 40 minutes. For smartwatch users who hate frequent charging, this improvement is one of the biggest selling points. Another notable upgrade is the ability to make and receive voice calls directly on the watch, something that earlier versions could not do. Previously, users could only accept calls but still needed their phones to speak. This change makes the E5 far more practical for daily use. Additionally, TAG claims that the GPS system is now 3 times faster and that pairing speed has improved 5-fold compared to older models. These upgrades, combined with smoother Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensure that the E5 performs effortlessly in daily life. Perhaps the most significant shift, however, lies in the operating system. TAG Heuer has now introduced its own operating system, TAG Heuer OS, moving away from Google's Wear OS platform. This allows the brand greater control over performance and updates while achieving Made for iPhone certification, guaranteeing smooth compatibility with iOS devices. This is a major step forward for Apple users who previously faced syncing limitations with Android-based wearables. The interface is faster, cleaner, and supports new touch gestures while retaining the traditional physical controls through the crown and pushers. Fitness and health tracking have also been elevated. The E5 includes improved heart rate monitoring, faster GPS tracking, and detailed performance metrics for sports like running and golf. A redesigned golf course map now shows complete hole layouts and auto zooms as players move through the course, while a new Chasing Diamond visualization helps runners meet target lap times. Future updates are expected to expand on wellness tracking, including sleep analysis and blood oxygen monitoring. For users who want luxury with purpose, the E5 delivers both style and substance. Customization is another strong point. The digital dial options have been expanded once again, letting users switch between sporty chronograph styles and minimal digital looks. More dial options will be released in sync with TAG's upcoming 2026 mechanical watch lineup. Interestingly, the Formula One digital face remains the most popular choice among users, a testament to TAG's racing legacy that continues to resonate even in the digital era. In real-world use, the E5 feels faster, lighter, and more refined than before. The smaller size enhances comfort, while the extended battery and direct call capability improve practicality. The touch response is fluid, and navigating through menus feels natural whether using the screen or physical buttons. TAG's focus on premium materials, steel, titanium, ceramic, and rose gold, ensures that even though this is a smartwatch, it still looks and feels like a luxury timepiece. Of course, the Calibre E5 isn't without trade-offs. By leaving Wear OS, TAG sacrifices some third-party app compatibility and Google ecosystem integration. It also lacks built-in LTE or contactless payment support in many markets. Still, the company's decision to prioritize performance, stability, and iPhone integration over app volume feels strategic, ensuring reliability for core smartwatch users. Priced from a 500 CHF for the 40mm model and 1600 CHF for the 45mm, the E5 sits firmly in the high-end smartwatch segment, but that's the point. It's meant for those who appreciate precision craftsmanship and premium design as much as they value digital convenience. The TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5 is not just another smartwatch. It's a symbol of how traditional Swiss watchmaking can evolve without losing its soul. It's luxurious, functional, and visually striking, offering improved battery life, better compatibility, and advanced sports features in one package. For users who love technology but refuse to compromise on style, this may well be the best luxury smartwatch of 2025. TAG Heuer has proven that the future of timekeeping doesn't have to abandon the past, it can enhance it. With the Calibre E5, the brand once again stands at the intersection of precision engineering and digital innovation, creating a wearable that truly represents the next chapter of modern horology.